The history of Bandhavgarh goes back to 1968 because before that the rulers were having their private hunting ground and they were hunting either for the counts or for their hobby. But here was this ruler, Maharaja Martan Singh of Rewa, who went to the then Prime Minister Mrs. Indira Gandhi and asked her to make his private hunting ground into a wildlife national park. And that was the birth of a national park called Bandhavgarh National Park. The most outstanding feature of this park probably is the plateau, and it ranks among the 8 natural forts of the country. It's a place which was a shelter to the Buddhist monks, the pilgrims, and they had the caves built in the 1st century AD. Later it was the Kalchuri who came and occupied this fort and gave an unique contribution of all the Dashavatar of Vishnu, among which one of the most loveliest place is Sheshai, which is a 32 feet lying Vishnu. Today this park has risen up to 1168 square kilometer and is part of the Project Tiger of India. This park today can be easily be termed as one of the best habitats for the tiger. It's during the winters when he requires sunlight. You have the stones and the hillocks and the rocks. When you need in the summers the comfort of coolness, the tiger's got water, he's got lovely grassland. Thus it's an all-season